Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about direction on the map, which is a continuation of our series of map reading. So listen, you should be able to compute direction on the map. Right, here is a compass which shows 4 cardinal points. The east is always on the right side of the map, and the north is always on the top of the map where the name is written, unless otherwise stated. So sometimes maps can give you north direction on the other one, but at this moment you should know that it is on top of the map where the name of the map is written. Like these are 4 cardinal points. Let me show you other midpoints which are not labeled on this compass, which are very important for this lesson because we need to use them later. Right, these are advanced, more ordinal points. Northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. They are midpoints of these 4 cardinal points. They help us also to compute specific direction of features. Right, we are going to use them. North is always on top, east is always on the right side of the map. Here is a very good example which we are going to use. Suppose our direction of the map is asking us to compute the direction of B from A. I want you to underline the word from there. What is the direction of B from A? So the word from tells us where the observer is standing. So in this case, the question is saying from A, which means the observer is standing at A. So the observer is standing here. You draw your 4 cardinal points where the observer is standing. This is the east, as I told you. So you join A and B with a straight line as well, so that it will be easy for you to determine. So our direction in this case is northeast direction. So let's move on. I have more examples to use here. So let's start with an example of the library from the school. Library from the school. Underline the word from. So from the school, we draw our 4 cardinal points here, and we join the 2 places with a straight line. So our direction becomes east direction. Then let's do another example. Here, let's use university from the bus station. University from the bus station. So the question is saying from the bus station, so we draw our cardinal point at the bus station. Then we join the 2 places. So our direction is northwest. Right. Then another example again. The science laboratory from the museum. We join the 2 places in a straight line, and from the art museum, then we draw our cardinal points there. So our direction is southeast. So I want you to do the direction of the school from the rugby stadium. Direction of the school from rugby stadium. Show me in the comment section you're working. Show me in the comment section your answer. Then let me give you another illustration and example. Right here, another map. On this map, I'm going to show you how the direction of features which are shown as lines, might be a road, might be a river, but in this case I'm going to talk about a river. We have this river which is flowing into the lake here. It is flowing into the lake here, and it's coming from this direction. How do we determine that the river is coming from this direction and is going in this direction? There are so many ways, but on this map I'm going to show you, because the river is just, it's common sense that the river is going into the lake, not the other way around. So the river is going into the lake, and you draw your 4 cardinal points in the middle of the river like this. If you draw them, it means the midpoint here is northeast. So the direction of flow usually is asked where it is going, not where it is coming. So we determine where it is going. So the river is going to northeast direction of the map. So that's how we determine the direction. So what if there is no lake? There is no lake where we can say it is going to that lake. We can use other elevation techniques like the contour line, the benchmark, the spot heights, and the trigonometrical beacons. So they will show us which part of the map is more elevated than the other, which part of the map is higher altitude than the other. So if we determine which part of the map is higher altitude than the other, then we use that information to determine where the river is going. And another example is that we can use the patterns. We can use the river patterns. Most probably the most dominant river pattern is dendritic in many maps. Dendritic is whereby the streams are joining to each other at an angle which is less than 90 degrees, acute angles. So those acute angles will give us the direction of flow. So as you can see on this map, this is an acute angle in which these 2 streams are joining, which means the streams are going this direction. Then we have also other acute angles somewhere here. We have other acute angles, so the rivers are going in this direction, southerly direction. So that's how we use the angles at which the rivers are joining. Then I must also show you that there are spot heights here. This is spot height 135, this is spot height 400, this is spot height 804, this is spot height 700, this is spot height. So basically, generally, you see this part of the map has a lower elevation as compared to this one. So basically, the rivers will flow towards the areas of lower altitude. That's how we determine the direction of a river. So now when we know that it is going this direction, we determine now using our 4 cardinal points what direction is that. Thank you so much for being here. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribe, comment and share so that we can help many people. Thank you so much. God bless you.